Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the July Boxycharm. It did come in a little late this time. Let's go ahead and get started and open up this July Boxycharm. I'm always really excited to open my Boxycharm boxes. I really look forward to it every single month. I don't have any scissors or box cutters right now, so I'm going to be using a screwdriver to open this. I know guys, it's kind of like horrible to do that, but we're gonna do this. I don't have an option. I don't know where my box cutter went. I've lost it. Actually, I'm gonna take off the sticker instead. Oh yeah, so I got this tiara. I bought it for my birthday, but it came the day after, so that's why I have this on now, because I'm a queen. Okay, so it's open now. So there is Hello Charmer again. What does that say? Oh yeah, it's the hashtag Boxycharm at Boxycharm. Okay, there's one thing I know that I got, and it's like this vitamin C serum. But other than that, oh, I just peeked in there. I'm just like, oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys really quick, like a little peek. I can never talk. A little peek of the box inside. As soon as I opened it, it smelled really, really good. The theme for this month's Boxycharm is sunshine, and it has little lemons on the card. It's like by the pool. Oh my gosh, I should not look at the card because then I'm gonna know what's on there. Guys, look at my hair, it's growing. I'm looking at this box and I've never seen these before. Here we go. So first thing I got here is this Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster, Watermelon Green Tea, and Pineapple. So I already knew I was getting this. I picked it last month for Choice Day, and this is it here. There's the packaging for that. Whoa, okay, fancy. It's got like this matte box, and then it's like shiny at the top. Ooh, I like how this feels. Even the inside of the packaging is decorated. Fancy. So here it is. It looks super nice. Matte packaging, this gradient blue to clear. And it's got one of those pumps. Sorry guys if my eyelash looks a little crazy. It's quite heavy. This retails for $49.95. Oh my goodness. And remember guys, I got this box for $25 for 5 full-size items. So it's the dropper applicator. It smells expensive, if you know what I mean. It's like a earthy, expensive like smell. I can't really put my finger on it. It smells really fresh, but also like earthy. I don't know, it's like a mixture of all these things. So I'm applying it here on the back of my hand just to get a feel of it. Just a drop of it literally went all over my hand. It feels really lightweight, really soothing. It feels like really refreshing on my skin. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use this. Next product. I think this is what's smelling good. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it's these. It smells so good. Okay, so we have the strengthening, soothing conditioner. Why can't I speak? Like, what is my problem? Sorry guys, you guys were a little too like far. Oh, it's by Sol de Janeiro, but it's the Brazilian Joia conditioner, and I also got the shampoo. And these are it right here guys. They look really, really small. I'm not sure if this is a travel size. It probably is. They smell so good. They smell kind of like cocoa butter, and it says it's color safe, which is good because my hair is colored. That one comes out to $24, not bad for both of them. I'm not really crazy about the whole shampoo and conditioner. I don't really like new hair products. I usually just stick to what I know. So we have another thing here. This one is gonna be the Quick Color Switch Dry Makeup Brush Cleaner, and it's right here. I've never used one of these. I think it says it's by Lavish. Is that the brand? Let's see. Yeah, it is by Lavish. I don't know how to use this, so I'm probably gonna need instructions. Oh, okay, so it's kind of like a sponge. I guess you're supposed to put the brush and like clean it on here, and it's got like little like holes and stuff, but it kind of grabs onto all the dirt, I believe. Okay, so yeah, it is a dry brush cleaner, so you don't have to use any water. It's for your dry brushes like blush, not concealer, or like for bronzer or powders, things like that. I mean, it's really good to clean your brushes with soap and water or makeup remover once in a while, but you don't want to be doing that all the time because it could really ruin your brushes. So this is great. Thank you, Boxycharm. I really enjoyed this. Oh, and it's the Lavish Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner. It comes out to $17. Okay, so next thing. Ooh. Okay, this I'm really excited about. This is by Hourglass, and I heard great things about Hourglass. It says Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow. Here it is. Whoa. Okay, so that's it, and it has a cap on top. Whoa. Okay, so it has like a really weird texture. It looks like it's pressed. Wow, it's like creamy. It kind of feels like pressed powder, but when I put my finger in there, it's kind of like a putty. We're gonna swatch this right here. Oh my, that's beautiful. So that's one swatch. Let's do a double swatch. Okay, so there's the double swatch of that. That's so pretty. And the color for this was Burnish. That one comes out to $29. $29, guys, for this little tiny eyeshadow. That's unbelievable. I only paid the $25. So it looks like we have a palette here. It's in this bubble wrap. Good thing you guys use bubble wrap, because one time one of my palettes broke. Wow! Just looking at the packaging got me really happy. It's the Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise palette. That is so beautiful. It's my style. I like it. Guys, this is not an eyeshadow palette. I thought it was an eyeshadow palette because I've received palettes from Ace Beauty and they were eyeshadow palettes. This is a bronzer palette. I don't own a lot of bronzer, so this is gonna be really nice. Let me take the plastic off. Sorry. Oh my goodness, aren't these so pretty? These are the most beautiful bronzers I've ever seen. Literally the most beautiful bronzers I've ever seen. I'm gonna swatch these on my hand as well. It doesn't have any names, guys, so I'm just going to show you like this. These are the colors. They're super pretty, but my favorite ones I think are gonna be these two right here at the end. I like a kind of a darker bronze, and I'm pretty sure that I can use these as eyeshadows as well. It does come out to $30. It's not that bad for a bronzer palette. $30 for all four of these shades. They're super pretty, and this packaging is just amazing. So that is pretty much it, guys. That's all I got in my Boxycharm box for this month. I'm pretty happy with this. I love a brush cleaner. On a scale from 1 to 10, 1 being the lowest, like not so great, and 10 being the best, I'm going to give this one a 9, just because I am not a shampoo and conditioner girl. I mean, it's nice, but you know, it's just like not my thing. Yeah, 9 out of 10, not too bad. Oh, I'm like throwing things around. So I'm gonna go really quick over everything that I got. So we have the Vitamin C Brightening Booster, Watermelon Green Tea and Pineapple, the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Joya Shampoo and Conditioner, the Scattered Light Hourglass Glitter Eyeshadow, the Quick Color Switch Dry Makeup Brush Cleaner by Lavish, and last but not least, we have the Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise. And it's the bronzer palette. That is it, guys. That's all I got for this box. I love Boxycharm. It's amazing. Always surprises me. It's always like a, you know, like kind of like giving yourself a gift, but it's like forgetting what you get and you're just like, oh my god, like a surprise. Thank you guys so much for watching. For an inspirational quote, I want to say sometimes things don't go as planned because there are better things to come. It's kind of like when you want something and you end up finding something better. That is pretty much it. I'm going to leave my last video here somewhere on the screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and let me know if you guys got anything that you liked in your Boxycharm box. Let me know what you guys got in your box. Let me know if you guys liked the box that I got this month. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video, okay? Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a blessed day. Bye.